how I made over $6,000 in one day and $14,000 in 1 week, as you can see over here, with new manifestation offer on Clickbank using Facebook ads. Now in this video I'm going to show exactly how you can have similar results and what exactly steps I took to achieve these results. So as you can see over here, right, those are the daily results over here on Clickbank. But what is the most important thing is how you can achieve the same thing. So let me go straight into it, right? As you can see over here, this is my Instagram where you can reach out to me later if you have any kind of questions regarding to affiliate marketing, Google ads, YouTube ads, or even Facebook ads in this case, right? So I can share everything with you. But now let's go step by step into how this is possible, okay? So as you can see over here, the first thing you have to remember is when we are running ads, it's all about audiences, right? So if you bought any courses in the past and didn't get any results, you must remember this. It's all about pre-selling. We are not selling on our website or blog, right? We are actually pre-selling. And as you can see here, this is one of the quiz funnels in dating space, right? What you have to keep in mind is you have to have functionality, functional questions. Most of gurus on Clickbank, when you buy some course, what they tell you is just create a quiz and put bunch of non-functional questions in there. And then you wonder why you get only clicks but no sales, no conversions. And the main reason, the main point you have to remember as you watch this video, right, is that you need functional questions to put people in the problem state. And once they are in the problem state, if they are product unaware or in totally unaware awareness level, you will be able to put them into the pain, in the problem state, and from there move them to the solution state, which is actually buying that Clickbank weight loss supplement, neutral offer, manifestation offer, dating offer, whatever you're promoting, right? It's not that hard once you understand marketing on a deeper level, right? So let me show you over here. When it comes to audience, let's say in the manifestation space, personal growth space, self-help, it's a huge industry. Millions and billions of dollars per month are being turned over, right? But you have to understand what emotional state the person is in once they see your Facebook ad, right? And the job of Facebook ad is not to get a click. You see, most of gurus are telling you, get a click, put weird images. It doesn't make sense. Why? Because you're going to only attract people who are curious enough what's on your website and they will not buy. So basically they are wasting your money on ads. Now, you don't have to be scared or afraid to spend money on ads. When it comes to spending money on ads, you're going to have someone who's going to buy the whole funnel. What do I mean by that? You see on Clickbank you have upsells, right? You have product for $7 or $27 or $50 on the front end. And then what happens is you have upsell for $100, even $400 or $1,000. So one person definitely out of 100 people who buy the product is going to buy the whole funnel, everything. And that can make, my friend, the money back to you from just one person. Keep in mind. Now we have low emotional states and high emotional state. People also depend the targeting you're using, right? Very important. And messaging, your copy, very important, right? You have to have the right message to the market match if you want to make thousands of dollars per day or per week with Clickbank affiliate marketing, right? Messaging is very important. It's not about the graphic design. That BS doesn't matter, right? Honestly, the most important thing is messaging, targeting, colors you're using. All this deep psychology stuff matters because we are not selling to AI software. We are promoting products to human beings just like you and me watching this video right now, right? Very important. Now the next thing is average order value. As I talked before, on your pre-sale page, on your ClickFunnels landing page, what you need is 5 pre-sale points. And if you miss only 1 or 2, you will lose the sale. That's why you're only getting curiosity clicks. People who only click on your ads because they are curious. What is this weird text or weird image that you're using? Okay, so that's the number 1 mistake. Maybe you tried all this stuff from some other gurus and it didn't work out. And it's not your fault. Okay? If you lost money, it's not your fault. I understand that. I used to be there as well. But what matters is if you tried all other stuff and it didn't work out, is that you stop and think about it and get in the new system, new way of doing affiliate marketing in 2024, but actually being functional, right? So language as well. Language to females and males is not the same. Yet I see lots of people using the same copy and running ads to females and males with the same ad copy, and then wondering why it doesn't work out. Again, it's not your fault. All you have to do is have someone who will help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way, hand-holding you to get great results, right? That's very important thing, so you can fast forward yourself and get much more better results. Okay? So if you want stress-free online business where you don't have to worry or wake up next morning, will my ads get rejected, will my ad account get shut down because you're doing shady stuff, right? And again, I know they're teaching you that to do some cloaking or the stuff that can get you in trouble with policy on Facebook or Google, and then you get your accounts shut down, and that's not your fault, right? So what you can do next, as you watch this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can connect with me one-on-one. So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can connect with me on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. All my numbers are below in the description under this video, but only if you're serious. If you really want to get results, then do it. You can connect with me, ask me any questions you want regards to Clickbank or Max Web Affiliate Marketing, and we can get something going, okay? Again, thank you for watching this video, and let's get something started.